Alright, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be covering Activity 10-7 using Task Manager. This is from the MCTS Guide to Microsoft Windows 7. In my edition of the book, this activity starts on page 484. Alright, so to begin, the primary purpose of Task Manager is to provide a quick overview of system and process performance information. So in this activity, we're going to view system information and manage processes using the Task Manager. So we're going to begin by getting logged in, going to our Start menu and typing CMD for command. In Windows 8, I believe you can still do this. From the Start screen, CMD will still find command prompt. In Windows 8.11, I believe, you actually need to type command prompt. I could be wrong about that, but I haven't used 8.11 very much. In any case, however you open it, open it. In here, we're going to type MS Paint and press Enter. And that will open Microsoft Paint. So we're going to come down to our taskbar, which is this. Right-click and say Start Task Manager. If you're on any other tab, we want to hop to the Applications tab. And we want to find that command prompt. We're going to right-click on it and say Go to Process at the bottom, which will show us the command.exe process here. And then we want to right-click here on command.exe and say End Process Tree. It'll give us a warning saying that anything that is dependent on this program will also close. So we're just going to go ahead and say, okay, go ahead, End Process Tree, and that will terminate the command prompt. You can do that with other applications to terminate them, especially if they're frozen or they just won't close for whatever reason. Alright, next we want to come down here under Processes. We want to show processes from all users, and that'll show us everything that's running on the system. We want to hit the CPU column header once. This will sort these processes by CPU utilization. The down arrow indicates that they're sorted in a descending order, so the highest CPU utilization is at the top. Let's hop over to the Services tab, which displays the status of services running on the computer. There's going to be quite a few in here, and a lot of them aren't going to make a lot of sense without a description, so you'll know that's included. Beyond that, we can hop back over to the Performance tab. This is where mine default opened to. This just provides basic CPU and memory use information, so it'll keep a kind of a running graph for you. You can change the speed of this graph by going to View, Update Speed. I think by default it's set to normal, which is, I think, it updates once per second. You can change that to high, which is about every half second, or low, which is every either 2 or every 5 seconds, something like that. And you can always tell it to pause. I'm going to leave mine at high. The Networking tab displays a running graph, and it is also controlled by the update speed. And this just shows your network utilization, how much data you're transferring either in or out of your computer over the network. The Users tab will just show you what users are currently logged in. I'm currently only logged in on one account. If I had multiple accounts logged in, they would be displayed here. And it looks like that's everything that this activity wants to cover. So we'll end here, and I will see you in my next video.